precipitation in the forecast today, but once again, doesn't sound like it's going to be much of a nuisance or snow.
Oh.
Again.
Oh, this is another one the snow lovers are not going to be happy with, Patrick. More rain here in southern New England. It is dry to start today, though, and no issues for the morning commute expected, and the evening commute is going to be soggy.
Again.
Let's take a look at the live conditions right now. We'll start off in North Scituate, where our roadways are in good shape this morning, and the radar confirming that. If we look off to the west of us, radar is picking up on some snowfall over northwest Connecticut and into the Springfield area. A lot of this not reaching the ground. In fact, none of our observation sites in this area are recording snow. Very dry air still to overcome, and so maybe just a few flurries in the air for those that are traveling that direction this morning. It is rainy by the afternoon. That'll continue on into the evening hours. I'm looking at anywhere between a quarter to on the high end. Could see a few spots that get close to a half an inch of rain, and again possibly a few brief snowflakes mixing in with the rain showers in northwest Rhode Island. I'm going to show you that. It does turn colder late in the week, but by that point any precipitation is long gone. It looks dry for the upcoming weekend and much milder also under mostly sunny skies, so get those outdoor plans in place. Currently outside, you're going to want a warm coat, maybe a hat and gloves as you just step out the door. In Taunton 23, 27 Smithfield, 28 degrees in the Providence area. Wind chill though at 21. 19 is the current wind chill in Smithfield, and it's in the middle 20s along the coastline. So cold and dry for the morning commute. Clouding up, dry roadways expected. Sun coming up at 6:37 this morning. It's this area of low pressure to the west of us that's going to be approaching as this warm front nears us. We'll start to see a fresh wave develop along it, not enough to hold on to the cold air here in southern New England. So in our hour-by-hour forecast, those clouds turning thicker. 9 o'clock in the morning, mid to upper 30s. Though we are still dry. 9 a.m. noticed by the early afternoon hours. Here come those rain showers. Now I mentioned a little snowflake or two mixing in with the rainfall. You can see that little bit of pink showing up in the highest elevations up near, say, Burrillville or Foster. Could get a few briefly wet snowflakes, but a quick change to just some rain showers expected. Those will continue as the kids head off the bus in the afternoon for those that are back to school today. And then we've got temperatures at 6 o'clock this evening in the lower 40s in Providence and in New Bedford, 40 in Smithfield. And it's one of those nights where the warmest part of the day is actually later in the evening hours. You can see here 9, 10 o'clock, mid 40s, could hit some upper 40s to near 50 degrees. But once that system passes by overnight and the skies dry up, I expect us to drop. So we'll fall by tomorrow morning back into the mid to upper 30s. We're dry on Wednesday with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Lower 40s expected for the high, 36 at 5 o'clock in the evening, then turning colder Wednesday night and Thursday. High temperatures Thursday only near 30 degrees. And check out those morning lows at the end of the week. 20s on Thursday morning, teens on Friday morning. Could see some spots in the single digits. Friday afternoon's high near 31. Back to the milder air in time for the weekend. 40s on Saturday, near 50 by Sunday.